Hi everyone. Today topic is convergence of Fourier series, Dirichlet case. In Dirichlet conditions for the periodic signals XR follows XR as follows. First one is over a single period X is absolutely integrable over a single period. These are the different conditions of convergence of Fourier series and over a single period x is absolutely integrable. Integration of t mod x of t dt less than or less, less than infinity. Second point, over a single period over a single period x has a finite number of maximum and minimum. That means these are a bounded variation. And third one is over a infinite interval x has a finite of discontinuities discontinuities each of which is finite. In a periodic signal x satisfies the Dirichlet conditions. Then first one is the Fourier series convergence pointwise everywhere to x concept at the point of discount x. That means t equal to ta, x bar of ti equal to half of x of t minus t power minus tm t of a power minus plus t of x of t of a plus t of a plus, where x of ta minus x of ta plus denotes the values of signal x left and right hand sides of the discontinuities respectively. Since the most signals tend to safety the Dirichlet conditions and the above convergence results specifies the value of the Fourier series at even point. This result is often very useful in practice. That means the convergence of Fourier series. These are all the different conditions which is applying at the convergence of situations, and also finding the signal variations with respect to the different convergences of Fourier series formulas. And examples of functions evaluating the Dirichlet conditions. That means when we are observing the waves are propagates are converted with the equal similarities with the equal similarities with the equal similarities, and we are seeing three equivalent waveforms. That's why these are the example functions of evaluating the Dirichlet conditions. In this we are using different signals and different variations. Next one is Gibbs phenomenon. And next one is Gibbs phenomenon. Gibbs phenomenon. What is the meaning of Gibbs phenomenon and why we are using Gibbs phenomenon? Gibbs phenomenon. Gibbs phenomenon is explain the weakness of the Fourier series. Gibbs phenomenon is explain the one of the weakness of the Fourier series. By using Gibbs phenomenon, it will rectifying and identifying the errors and weaknesses of Fourier series. So Gibbs phenomenon is known as it will identify the behavior of one of the Fourier weakness of the Fourier series. Behavior of behavior of behavior of the one of the weakness of the Fourier series is called Gibbs phenomenon. Gibbs phenomenon. In practice, first point. In practice, we frequently encounter signals with discontinuities. That means frequently we can change the signals with different angles. When a signal X has discontinuous continuities, the Fourier series representation of X does not coverage uniformly at the same rate everywhere. At the same rate everywhere. The rate of convergence is much slower at point in the vicinity of a discontinuity. So that means in the pro- data processing, sometimes data will be changes. Sometimes data will be decreases. Sometimes data signals will be decreases. So that's why this type of phenomenon is known as Gibbs phenomenon. Furthermore, fourth point. Furthermore, in the vicinity of a discontinuity, the transmitted Fourier series x of n exhibits ripples, where the peak amplitude of the ripples does not seem or decrease seem or to decrease with increasing n. So the overall concept of Gibbs phenomenon, when we are changing infinity, when we are changing the ripples, when we are changing amplitude, at that situation some signals will be not working properly. That means they are compared to sometimes it will be decreased. That's why some signals are weak. So these type of weakness is known as Gibbs phenomenon. Gibbs phenomenon. Okay, the related periodic square wave examples of Gibbs phenomenon. The related periodic here, for example, we are seeing different waveforms. First waveform, Fourier series trunk, truncated after the third harmonic components. Fourier series truncated after the seventh harmonic components. Fourier series truncated after the 11th harmonic component. Fourier series truncated after the 101th harmonic components. That means the numbers which is represents the weakness of the signals. For example, we are seeing different variation. The sine wave is sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. Already we are seeing 7th and 11th waveforms. Uh, 7th waveforms of sine waves are bigger than 11th harmonic components. That means we are comparing both 7th and 11th harmonic components. The amplitude of the frequency or variations will be different than compared to each one. That's why these type of variations are represents the phenomenon of Gibbs or Gibbs phenomenon. Gibbs phenomenon. And next topic is properties of Fourier series. And next topic is properties of Fourier series. Periodic of continuous time Fourier series. Periodic of continuous time Fourier series. Here x of t equal to ak or y of t equal to ctfs. Continuous time Fourier series. X of t ctfs means continuous time Fourier series. Continuous time Fourier series. Property time domain Fourier domain. Property time domain Fourier domain. First one is linearities. In linearities, time domain is alpha x of t plus beta y of t. Alpha x of t, beta y of t. In Fourier domain, alpha a of k plus beta b of k. And translation, x of t minus t naught in time domain, e power j k 2 pi by t power t naught ak in Fourier domain. Reflection. In reflection, x of minus t in time domain, a of minus k in frequency Fourier domain. Conjunction in time domain is x power star of t and a power minus of k. And even summary x even, a even, odd summary x odd or a odd. Next, real x of t is real, a equal to a power star minus k. Properties. The Parseval's relation x of 1 by t integration of t mod x of t mod whole square d of t equal to summation of k equal to minus infinity to infinity mod a k whole square. These are the different conditions. All conditions are applicable at the situations to simplifying the data conversions. Next one is linearity. Let x and y between two periodic signals with the same period. Let us consider x and y are the two periodic signals. Two periodic signals with the same period. If x of t continuous time Fourier series of k and y of t continuous time Fourier series b of k, then alpha x of t plus beta y of t equal to ctfs tends to alpha into ak beta into b of k, where alpha beta are the complex constants, where alpha and beta are the complex constants. That is a linear combination of signals. Produce the same linear combination of their Fourier series coefficients. Time shifting or scaling. Translation. Let us x denotes a periodic signal with the time period t and the corresponding frequency omega not equal to 2 pi by t. Let us consider denote a periodic signal with period t and the corresponding frequency w naught equal to 2 pi by t. If x of t tends to c of k, then x of t minus t0 equal to e power j minus j k omega naught t naught c of k equal to e power minus j k 2 pi by t t naught c of k, where t naught is a real constant. And in other words, time shifting a periodic signal changes the argument of its Fourier series coefficients. The arguments of its Fourier series coefficients. Next topic is time reversal reflection. Time reversal reflection. Let us denote a periodic signal with period t and the corresponding frequency w equal to pi by t x of t. Then just we are changing the formula from the above topic and below topic. Time shifting and reversal, just we are changing the formula x of minus t equal to c of minus t. This that is a time reversal of a signal resulting in a time reversal of its Fourier series coefficients. Next one is conjugation for a t periodic function x with Fourier series coefficients. The following periodic properties hold: x star of t equal to c star of minus k. In other words, conjugation of a signal has the effect of time reversing, and conjugation of the Fourier series coefficients sequence coefficient Fourier series sequence. Next one is even and odd symmetry. Next one is even and odd symmetry. Next one is even and odd symmetry. For a t period function x within Fourier series coefficients sequence C, then the following period properties hold: x is even, e parallel equal to c is even, and x is odd, c is odd. These are the conditions of even and odd symmetry. In other words, the even and odd symmetry properties of x and c always match. That means x is even, c is even, x is odd, c is odd, c is odd, x is odd, c is even, x is even. So both are do performing equal operations, both even and odd symmetry properties. And real signals. A signal x is real if and only if its Fourier series coefficient sequence satisfies c of k equal to c power star minus k for all k, where C has conjugate symmetry, thus a real valued signal. The negative index Fourier series coefficients are redundant as they are completely determined by the non-negative indexed coefficients. From properties of complex numbers, can show that C of k equal to C star of k is equivalent to mod of ck equal to mod of minus k, and arg of ck equal to minus argument of minus c of k, where mod c even and arg c of k is odd. Note that x being real does not necessarily imply that c is real. Other Fourier series properties: for a time period function x with Fourier series coefficient sequence C, the following properties hold. C0 is the average value x is over the single period. X is real and even. C is real and even, and x is odd, real and odd. C is purely imaginary and odd. C is imaginary and odd. These are the other property of Fourier series. So that means in the overall concept of today, just to know the related formulas, properties, conditions, and those who are more helpful for further upcoming topics. That's why just we are um, know what is what and why we are using even and odd Fourier series properties, and time shifting and time invertibility translations. These are all more valuable for further topics to simplifying the problems and easy to understand the further topics. Next class we are discussing more properties. Thank you.